Recently, we opened India Innovation Hub here in India. So today, because the global leadership team of SigmaNEST is here, we are visiting our platinum partner ProArc, which is the leading plasma manufacturer in India. When our customers receive the SigmaNEST software along with the ProArc machine, together we serve the customers to optimize their material as well as increase the productivity. So ProArc is SigmaNEST's a long-term partner, completed more than 10 years with SigmaNEST now.
So we have been associated with SigmaNEST for over a decade now, and it has been a great partnership. We started offering SigmaNEST solutions way back in 2015. At that point of time, when we used to offer our machines with, when we used to offer our CNC plasma cutting machines, people would not typically focus a lot on the software. It was a given that the machine should come with some software which will take care of the nesting requirements of the customers. And then when we started offering SigmaNEST, it was actually a premium software at that point of time. But there were a lot of benefits of the software. So we had, whenever we should offer the machine, we should speak a lot about the benefits of the software in terms of how it would help with better motions, better material saving, the machine capabilities where you could actually integrate this software to different machines. As ProArc, we have had a lot of complex projects that we've done over the period of time, and we've had great support from the SigmaNEST developers here, the development team that is there.
ProArc and SigmaNEST have been partners for over a decade, and we've just had a meeting with the executive leadership and had the chance to tour their manufacturing facility. It's impressive. It drives home a number of things for me. Number one, how productive the relationship is between SigmaNEST and ProArc. It allows ProArc customers to very productively use their products that they're manufacturing, as well as for SigmaNEST, it allows us an opportunity to reach many customers through the ProArc customer base.
There's been many Indian customers that we've supported, built some integration for, helped deliver the machine for, and we didn't know that it was through this kind of collaboration and partnership here. So it was very interesting and exciting to kind of see that here.
Today, to strengthen our partnership with ProArc, we are signing another deal for betterment of our customers.